Hi friends! So, as you can see, we are at the airport because we are going to our very first solo travel. Yes, guys, finally. And I think nakita nyo naman na sa thumbnail na we are going to Cebu. Time check, it's 5:20 p.m. Flight ko is at 8 p.m. pa. So, napaaga ako kasi nag-skyway ako. And I didn't expect na konti lang yung tao dito sa Terminal 3. Kasi sabi sa TikTok, parang cramp yung Terminal 3. So, inagahan ko. I'm so hungry and I don't know kung anong kakainin ko dito. Pero, yeah, I think magsa-start na rin ako tumingin now kasi gutom na talaga ako. Isang boneless chicken barbecue. So, I just ordered my dinner. First order of business is chicken barbecue from Aristocrat. So, actually, una talaga akong tumingin, guys, sa Katunings. Kasi nakita ko na may bango sisig. So, sabi ko, parang ang sarap ng bango sisig. Tapos, wala na raw. Chicken tocino na lang. I don't eat tocino. So good. Hi friends! So now, nandito na ako sa boarding gate ko. It's still early. It's 6:44. Actually guys, first time ko lilipad ng gabi. As in, even with family. Hindi pa kami nakakalipad ng gabi. So, dahil first time kong lilipad ng gabi ngayon, bumili ako ng window seat. I think deserve ko naman yon.
Is being reviewed. As a safety precaution, please unfasten your seatbelt and
Hi guys, we finally arrived at Mactan Airport. And now, kailangan ko mag-book ng Grab. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako pupunta. I'm so overwhelmed. Actually guys, di ko alam yung mga pin. I'm waiting for Kuya. 2 minutes na lang siya. Morning, friends! So, today is March 2, Monday. It's 7:14 right now. And we have a tour today. Pipick up tayo around 8 o'clock. And hindi pa ako nagbe-breakfast and I'm so hungry. Bumili muna ako sa 7-Eleven. So, ayan, we're gonna eat breakfast first. Actually, medyo heavy breakfast to kasi I'll be on tour the whole day. Though kakain naman, pero kasi baka hindi ko hawak yung oras. So, para lang din hindi ako magutom. So, I bought lang yung chicken. Sabihin nyo siguro puro chicken ako, no? Pero guys, di na kasi ako nagpo-pork. As much as possible, I'm avoiding pork. Kasi it helps me with my health. So, lagi akong chicken, fish, and gulay lang. So, I'm having their chicken. And para lang yun may konting boost of sugar. Buti mayroon sila ng favorite ko na chocolate kariman. Ayan, so we're gonna have our breakfast. Pero gusto ko makipagchikahan sa inyo, guys. Yung tour guide ko pala for today, yung susundo sa akin, yung nakuha kong tour, it's very nice kapag solo traveler ka. Though medyo mahal lang ng konti. Tour guide na kasi siya, may sasakyan na, and may photographer ka pa, yes. Actually, yun yung pinaka-reason why ito yung pinili ko. Hindi ko kasi kaya yung parang magta-tripod tapos kukuhanan yung sarili. Like, niya ako. So, plus, wag kayong mag-alala if kunwari, iniisip nyo hindi maganda yung phone nyo, kaya ayaw nyo. Provided rin nila yung phones, yung mga Insta360, if magpo-falls kayo, if mag-hike kayo, ganyan. Kasi ako, ang kinuha ko lang is yung mountain and city tour. Kasi hindi naman ako adventurous, guys. So, ayan, we're done having breakfast. Grabe, super busog ko. Sana huwag sumakit ang tiyan ko outside. Pero, ayun, I'm gonna give you guys a quick room tour. Ayan, then as you enter the room, ito yung makikita mo. So, ito yung sa card. And then, here's the CR. Ayan. Sorry, ang dilim. Pinapatay ko kasi. Pero ayan yung CR. Yan lang yung dala kong toiletries. Yan, that's me. And ayan, may shower lang siya dyan. Yan, basically it, yung CR. And here, merong full body mirror. So, Ayan, sorry, mag-fit check na rin tayo upon room tour. So, I'm wearing this dress from Dominic & Co. So, it's a linen dress. It's so nice. It's very flattering sa body ko. So, ayan, this is in the color ivory. So, if you guys want this, I'll link it in below. So, here, may kita nyo meron dyang blower. And then, may TV lang. And then, here's the bed. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Makalat. So, ayan. Diyan ako kumain kanina. Yan lang yung pinaka-table. And then, yung side table na yun. Yung isa ko palang side table, guys, nandito. Bakit? Kasi binabara ko yun sa pinto tuwing matutulog ako. So, yan lang yung table. So, nandiyan yung stuffs ko. Sorry, ang kalat. So, I have my maleta here. Actually, nag-unload talaga ako. Pero wala ring cabinet kasi. So, dyan lang siya. And then, ayan, side table. Oh, sorry, may damit na naman. And then, here, sorry, ito yung suot ko mamaya. Ayan, here's the bed. It's a double bed and 2 pillows. So, ako, sakto lang ako dyan. Kasyang-kasya ako dyan. And then, here, ito lang yung pinaka-sampayan na mayroon. So, yan. And then, aircon. The aircon is malamig naman. Meron ding mirror here. And then, what I like about this, guys, is the view from my room. So, ito siya. Sorry. Yan, upo ako para makita nyo ng lubos. So, ayan. This is my view. It's so nice. Actually, ayan. Yan yung metro. And then, andyan talaga lahat malapit. Pag lang naman, super liit nga lang talaga ng room. Hi guys! The tour is finally done. Nandito ko ngayon sa Ayala Center, Cebu because I'm gonna eat my dinner. So, grabe guys, ang pagod ko. Ayun, hinahanap ko lang yung kakainan ko. I'm gonna eat at Abaca Baking Company. I think let's ask the guard na kasi hindi ko talaga alam. At pagod na ako maglakad. Sir, saan po yung Abaca Baking Company? Na 4th floor po.
Yes.
Guys, I found it. It's here. Nasa garden pala siya. I'm so excited. Yan. Ay, nagbablog ako. Ito pala yung daddy ko, guys. Yung video call ko siya. Sir. Itong kimchi fried rice and then country sausage. Yun lang naman.
So one kimchi country sausage.
Yes. My orders are here. So this is my cheese Danish. And super excited for this. This is the kimchi fried rice na country sausage. So I'm super excited. It's super big. Here's my ham. Thank you po, Lord. Thank you for the food. It's really so nice na parang ayoko siyang guluhin. Pero guys, alam niyo man na this is my first good food today. Kaya ito yung first good food ko today. Kasi kaninang breakfast, guys, I ate 7-Eleven lang, diba? Tapos yung lunch ko, it was so-so. I mean, hindi ko gusto yung lasa ng lechon. Parang wala siyang timpla, tapos medyo matigas siya. Tapos makatulog ako ng mahaba ngayon. What's this? The Danish. So good. Good morning, friends. So, today is the third day and my last full day. Right now, I'm just getting ready kasi I'm having breakfast at Anthony's Cafe. So, mag-grab na lang ako papunta there. And ang agenda natin for today is we're gonna buy some pasalubongs. Actually, yung this morning nating agenda is pasalubong. After buying pasalubongs, we're gonna go to Mactan. So, magbe-beach tayo, guys. I got a night tour pala sa Ducetani at Mactan. So, we're just gonna chill there later. Hi friends, I just got home from the pasalubong shopping and it's a chaos. Like, dapat 11 magla-lunch na ako kasi I'm gonna go to Mactan later. Pero ngayon sobrang namamroblema ako. Kasi hindi pwede iakyat dito yung mga dried fish. So, ang tendency, dun ako magpapak sa baba. And another problem is yung chorizo. Nag-research kasi ako. And hindi ko pa actually masyadong mag-guess. Hindi ko alam ang final answer kung pwede ba or hindi. Kasi ang dami kong nakikita na hindi pwede. And dapat nakarepack siya ng maayos. Ngayon, I don't have time to buy a box. Wala na akong time bumili ng box para sa chorizo at ibalot siya kasi nakabook ako sa Mactan. So, hindi ko talaga alam kung paano. So, I just bought otak. Nakita nyo naman, no? Nakita nyo naman sa video kung ano yung mga pinamili ko. So, I bought dalawang maliit na otap. And then, isang malaki. Ayan. Habang nag-haul ako sa inyo, pinapako na siya, guys. So, next, I bought baked pulveron. So, medyo na-curious lang ako. That's why I bought it. Next, of course, your kilos. Bumili rin ako. Bakit parang ang pangit ng nabili ko? Parang durog na. First kilos pala. Dalawa pala yung binili ko. Ayan. Next is Torones. Ito yung Decasoy. Kasi nakita ko na mahal siya kaysa dun sa Demane. So, baka masarap to. And parang na-curious din ako. So, kinuha ko siya. And then the rest are dried mangoes. Like, mga pampasalubongs and everything. This kept me interested lang. Ito yung mango chocolate. Parang chocolate-coated dried mango. So, it's interesting. That's why I got one. And then, kumuha rin ako nitong Guadalupe dried mangoes. Ito yung most expensive one. Kaya ito yung kinuha ko. And then, I bought itong... Iba-iba lang siya ng brand, guys, actually. Ito yung Cebu's Lucky Premium Dried Mangoes. I bought 2. And then, lastly, ayan, binilang ko lang yung mga office mates ko kasi magkikita kami the day after tomorrow. Kasi may shoot day kami. So, I bought them. Ayan. So, 6 kami. I mean, 7. Pang 7 ako. 6 sila. So, I bought them dried mangoes. Sa baba, bumili lang ako ng danggit and pusit and chorizo. And then, bumili lang pala ako ng mga keychains and magnets kasi nga gusto kong mag-collect ng mga napuntahan ko na para pag dumami siya, pwede ko siya i-display sa kwarto ko. So, I just bought this. This is a purple sleepers keychain. Super cute. Mostly purple binili ko. Ayan. Next is itong purple na turtle, I think. Yan. Cute din. And then, I bought a transparent din na turtle. Super cute na to. Ang pangit kasi ng purple na ito. Dapat purple din. Pero ang pangit. So, ayan. And then, lastly, I bought a... Wala, ba't ganun yung binigay nila sa akin? Parang ang pangit. I bought a ref magnet. Parang ang pangat ng binigay nila sa akin. Bakit ganun? Yung pan-check ko pala ng timbang na maleta is this one. Actually, nung nakikita ko to sa TikTok, sabi ko, hindi ko na kailangan yan. Parang sayang lang pera. Budol na naman. Pero hindi. It's as necessity, believe me guys, it's a necessity. Kasi nag-overthink kayo na, okay na kaya to. And then, pagdating nyo ng airport, boom, 2K. Nadagdagan kayo because hindi nyo chinek, over baggage pala kayo. So, this is important. Ayan. Okay, so, yan siya. I-hook nyo lang. Ayan, you hook it. And then, i-on nyo lang siya here. Make sure it's on 0 bago nyo iangat. And then, i-aangat nyo lang siya. Ayan. Okay. So, kapag nag-H na, ibig sabihin okay na yun. So, you can remove it. Sa 5.83 kg pa lang to.
Hi, good morning. Welcome to House of Lechon.
For one lang.
For 1 month. Okay, Archie will
Hi, good morning. Welcome home to House of Lechon. And by the way, I'm RJ, the one getting inside. And before we proceed for our community try Filipino dessert, we have to run for the Buwete. And this is our Lechoneria with spicy regular available. And Toilet Cafe. And we also have Alahala and Purple ice cream. Padusal. First time mo dito na?
Yes. First time. Thank you.
By the way po ma'am, introduce ko na lang po kay Sir Benson. Benson will be your server.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. So we're here at House of Lechon. Grabe naman. Nakita nyo naman yung pag-welcome nila and the service. So it's really perfect. So ito na yung menu nila. I'm so excited. Like, hindi ako guys kumakain ng baboy, pero iba yung excitement ko dito. So of course, we're gonna order yung lechon nila. And parang gusto ko yung, oh my God. Feel ko guys, magde-dessert ako. Parang ang sarap ng turo nila. This one. My order arrived na and pakita ko siya sa inyo. It's so beautiful. Ayan siya. So, this is my mango shake. Ito yung 1/8 na lechon, I think. Good for one. Actually, sakto lang yan sa akin. Mauubos ko yan. And then, ito naman yung hanging rice na puso. Actually, akala ko konti nga lang siya, guys. Ang mura nito. This is 25 pesos each. Like, look at that. It's so beautiful. I'm so excited. Okay. Oh, nalatan mo siya. Okay. Let's go, guys. Let's try it. Or the mango juice muna. Sige, the juice muna. It's so good. Oh my God. It's so good. Ayan, ganito ang lechon. Let's see if it's worth the Michelin. It's so good. It's good. It's really so good. Grabe. Parang medyo nagsisi na ako sa in-order ko. Sana nilakihan ko pa. Hi friends, I just arrived at Dusitani Mactan. So it's a 1-hour ride from the city. Hello po! Mag-register po for night use. Hi! For night use, yes.
For 1 hour.
Yes, 1 lang. I'm done booking my night use na. And sadly, we're not having a Cebuano barbecue buffet. I feel like kasi hindi marami yung tao. But we're having a 3-course meal at Banjarong and I heard na masarap din yun. So, hi friends, so nice here It's very chill. And mabait din yung mga staffs actually. And more on foreigners pala here. Though meron ding mga Pinoy. Pero medyo as of now, marami ako nakikitang foreigners. So, ayan, I'm super, super happy. Grabe. Dati pangarap ko lang to. Seryoso ba to ang I'm in Cebu as a solo traveler? For your information pala, guys, meron silang day use and night use. Not familiar lang sa day use. But I'm sure meron ding may meals, merong wala. Yung night use din, merong may meals, merong wala. Yung pinili ko yung meron na. And this is for 1,950. So, you get to enjoy Dusitani at 3 o'clock to 10 p.m. Here's my view right now. And super thankful ko talaga with life. Like, super thankful ko talaga kay Lord sa life na to. Sa binigay niyang life sa akin. Na I get to enjoy this stuff. Ganyan, nakakaalis ako on my own. So, wala lang. I'm super, super grateful. Wow, napareflect na. Pero guys, promise, pag solo travel kayo, talagang mapapareflect kayo. Lalo na dun sa first, super dami yung magiging realizations. And syempre sa parents ko din, uy, nanonood sila na to ngayon. Hi, mom and dad. So, ayun, super thankful din ako kasi pinapayagan nila ako na enjoy ng ganito ang life ko. Kahit they used to be strict before. Ayun, nagets ko naman yun. So, bumawi naman sila na pinapayagan na nila ako. And look where I am right now. Dati hindi ako pinapayagan sa SM North, guys. Pero ito, nasa Cebu na ako, guys. Nasa Visayas na ako. Okay, so na ba yan? Thank you so much. Wow, thank you so much. I got ice cream. This is queso. So, kanina kasi, pinagdadalawang isip pa ako if bibili ba ako. Pero yung nung narinig ko may queso, yes. Hi friends, we're here at Banjarong and I'm so stressed right now kasi yung camera ko is lowbat na and I wanted to record the experience. My food arrived na, so this is the spring roll, pad thai with chicken, and then ito yung parang for the pad thai. So, ayan, let's dig in. And yung pang third course ko is mango sticky rice, which is later. So, let's eat. Hindi ko na kayo na-update, kumain na ako, pero it's so good. Like, akala ko hindi ako mabubusog sa 3-course meal kasi parang ang konti niyang pakinggan. Pero, no, actually, busog na ako ngayon. And the pad thai is so good. As in, sobra. Like, second pad thai ko pa lang to. My first pad thai was from a Thai restaurant sa SM Grand. I won't say the name. Pero sadly, hindi ko siya nagustuhan. Kasi sabi ko, anong hayop dito? Parang ang weird ng lasa. So, I thought na ganun lahat ng pad thai. Parang ganun yung default na lang lasa. Pero this one is so good. As in, so good. And here's our mango sticky rice. Grabe, it's so beautiful. Look at that. Yum.